It's incredibly important to review assets when projects develop. ftrack Studio makes it easy to create playlists to view work in progress. Assets can be reviewed internally to give feedback to team members or externally invited collaborators, such as clients. There's also the ability for synchronized sessions for real-time reviews, so everyone on the session sees all the notes and annotations as they happen. A great way to ensure nothing is out of context and everyone in the review is on the same page, every step of the way. Viewing work in progress is an essential component of any project. Seeing how the media is being produced provides an opportunity to give feedback, helping to shape the direction of the work and ensuring that it is meeting the requirements of the brief. When creating a review, it can help to also add media that will be shown before and after, so all the media is viewed with context, minimizing the likelihood of technical inconsistencies and maximizes the relation of assets when viewing them together in a sequence. When inviting stakeholders to a review, ultimate clarity can be achieved with sync, allowing everyone in the review to see exactly the same frame at the same time. By having all stakeholders on a live review, all of their feedback can be collected at the same time, making for a quicker feedback process compared to waiting for each person to provide feedback in their own time. With a sync review, we can be sure everyone is following along and is on the same page, dramatically minimizing misunderstanding and drastically cutting down the time it takes to receive feedback from all stakeholders, making for an efficient review. Reviewing media can often lead to many versions. To help with seeing the difference, they can be viewed side by side with any playback affecting both versions of the media at the same time. By viewing two versions side by side, we can maximize clarity on what's changed and aid into making the correct decision between the two versions. Oftentimes, what you see from a version isn't enough and more details about the asset are needed. Additional information about assets can help provide context to a piece of media. For example, seeing the stream of notes associated with the asset, the status of the task, who is assigned, and many more fields, including custom fields you can add too. We've now gone through the 4 main areas of ftrack Studio and look forward to seeing how you get on with your trial. For more information, head over to the help guides to go beyond what we've covered.